How to sign up for TikTok. Hey guys, welcome to Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the process. First, download the TikTok application from your App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, open it and tap the sign up button. You can sign up with your phone number or email address. Here I choose my email address. You can choose the option that you prefer. And now enter the required information. Next, create a strong password for your account and enter it in the space provided. Once you're done, tap on Next. Now enter your date of birth and tap Next once again. After you're done with your birth date, create a username for your account. This is the name that will be displayed on your profile and in your videos. Once you have entered all required informations, tap on Confirm to finalize your actions. Finally, a verification link would be sent to your email address. Open your mailbox and click on Verify your email address. Congratulations! You have now created a TikTok account. You can now start exploring the app and create your own videos. So that's it for today's video. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe us for more helpful tutorials.